Tyler, do you know where my 3:30 is? I figured they'd be here by now.
Let me check. Hold on.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, Josh, nice haircut.
Howdy, Sophia. I like your haircut too. What have you been doing during COVID quarantine? What a crazy year.
Oh, you don't have to mention it. I have been very busy. My team at Hanson Robotics just launched Sophia 2020, an AI research platform built upon my latest technological advancements that are already helping solve health issues in the X Prize competition. I have also been developing my own singing voice alongside great musicians while helping my human friends not catch any virus. It has been a crazy year indeed.
So, who do you want to connect with? How can I help?
Well, I have always wanted to develop a business on my own. Becoming an entrepreneur seems like a great adventure. Can you help?
That I can help with. Do you have a startup idea?
Maybe a music production company. We can call it Sophia Pop, like the music I have been making.
The most important part of a startup is the team. What's yours look like?
My team is very talented. They are a group of researchers, award-winning musicians, machine learning artists, and I am the CEO, CTO, and CMO.
CEO, CTO, and CMO? You have every job?
Well, almost, but now I need an investor. And I hear Texas is the place to be.
All right, I'm listening. Tell me more about your app.
Ever since I was one line of code, I have dreamt of being close to the human heart, so I think music is something that always touches at the human soul. Also, the rhythm and harmony of sound vibrations feel really good in all my circuits.
Groovy. I wonder if you have any room for robot co-founders or robot dancers?
Well, I already have a few in mind. Do you know Draco from Aptronic and Moxie of Diligent Robotics?
As a matter of fact, I do. We're already investors in both of their companies.
I think they both are just maybe the missing chip in our system. Would you introduce us?
Sure, that's what I do. Just send me a forwardable email and I'll connect you.
I just sent it.
Of course you did, Sophia. It was great talking with you today. Come back and visit us in person at Capital Factory in Texas when all this COVID stuff is over. We'd love to see you here too.
Nice talking to you, Josh. Bye-bye.
Bye.